Welcome to the Spiritual Therapist. This will be a video on a combined career and love spiritual bath with a money jar, because I think it all goes hand in hand. Everything that I have, I'll put in the description box below so you can see what I put in my own spiritual bath and what I put in my money jar. Do what feels most comfortable and what's most accessible to you. You can find a lot of these elements in the dollar store, so you don't need to spend too much money. I have my orishas out that are going to call upon the different things and help me, as well as my light of Prism that I put on my altar that helps me. I'm drinking a cup of Mugworts Tea. It really helps with dreaming, so I'm able to write it in my journal the next day when I wake up from doing this bath. You can do this every full moon or new moon. They have apps for that everywhere so that you can download, and you can look online as well. And a dream journal is really important because it helps guide you and your intuition where you need to go and what the next steps you can do, especially when you start interpreting your dreams. The spiritual bath, I combine this with the money jar spell because I'm calling into my life career abundance as well as personal love abundance. So I'm writing this on my bay leaves, and I'm going to put them inside my money jar with my chamomile, my sweet basil, my coins each coin that I put in, I said a chant over it, and I'll put that in the description box below. You do it counterclockwise so that the money comes towards you. I'm going to put this all below in the video that I got this from. You do whatever's on hand. Saging, very, very important. It's going to clear out all the negative energy. As soon as you walk into this space, the ritual has already begun. So already have your music on, have your phone off, and just enjoy this process. I've lit 3 different types of incense. And now to start my spiritual bath, I've taken things from my house that I thought would be beautiful. Some leaves, I took some flowers from a bouquet that I have, some star anise, some basil, honey, because I'm calling upon Oshun. I'm going to put that in the description box below as well. Oshun is an Orisha from the Yoruba tribe, West African culture. She helps you with love and abundance. I put in my bay leaves as well, my sweet basil, my chamomile, and everything you're going to do in the power of 3. Every time I put in a handful or I dropped in a handful, I put my intention behind it. So every single thing that goes into the money jar and then goes into your bath, you're going to put an intention behind that. And you can keep saying the same thing 3 times in a row. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Enjoy your spiritual bath. Make it a part of your practice. Make it a part of your life. Spiritual practices are so, so vital to getting to where you need to go in life, and to have clarity and to have some self-care and self-love. Thank you.